Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've had many requests to share how I made my DIY glittered wall art, so here it is. If you don't want to pay full Z Gallery price for a glittered wall art, then this is a perfect video for you. I'm so excited to share how easy and affordable this DIY wall art was to make, you guys. I'm no professional whatsoever, so if I can do this, I'm sure you can too. I hope you enjoy. Now let's get started. You will need a canvas. I purchased mine from Hobby Lobby for 50% off, which brought it down to $15. Regular price was $30. It's a 24 by 48 inch canvas, so that was a great deal. If they are not on sale that week, you can always use a 40% off coupon they have online. I picked this paint out from Walmart for like $1 and some change each in the color black, pewter gray, and white. You will need a paintbrush, and this is the brush I used from Hobby Lobby. Starting off, I got a paper plate to pour the paint on top and went with the pewter gray first, then added white to mix it. I'm going to make a couple shades of gray that I like since my Walmart didn't have any other shades to choose from. You can add whatever color you want, or you can make it lighter or darker, it's all up to you. When I mixed the paint and liked the color I had, then I started painting almost half of the canvas. When you're painting, remember to get the sides of the canvas as well so that it's not all white and it goes with the color on top of it. Using the same paint color I had, I added a little bit of black and mixed it until I liked what I had. I set that paint to the side to use it later and grabbed a new paper plate to mix another shade of gray using black and a little bit of white. Now I'm applying the new shade to the other side of the canvas. In the end, after I finished with this painting, I actually changed the color of the dark gray to a lighter gray color. When it was drying against my wall, I didn't like how it looked, so I changed it and you'll see me going over it towards the end of the video. I don't ever plan and make my DIYs before I show you guys. I just think of what I want to make and let it flow on camera. So make sure that you're happy with the colors you choose before painting, that way you don't have to go over your paint like I did. Now I'm bringing back the color I left to the side before I made the darker gray shade. I want it lighter, so I poured a little bit of white paint and I'm going to cover the rest of the canvas with this color. This painting is something that I have been wanting to do for a while now. I love to paint because it's very relaxing and I love seeing the results every time. It's nice to know you can have a unique piece made by yourself. Now that I finished covering the canvas, I added thin glitter from Walmart while the paint was still wet so it can stick on. You can stop here if this is how you would like your artwork, but I want to add more glitter, so I'm going to use Mod Podge that I bought from Hobby Lobby in this thick flake glitter that is really nice for $3.99, but I used a 40% off coupon. Here I'm using the foam brush that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I'm applying the Mod Podge all over the canvas to apply the thick glitter. This is my favorite part because of how sparkly and glam this artwork is going to get. If you love gold, this would look stunning as well with the silver flakes. The mixed metals are very popular right now, so if you're looking for an artwork that has both metals mixed in, you should make your own. It's very affordable and so much fun to make. Something was missing even though I added the glitter, so I painted white icicles going down from the glitter flakes. This gave the painting a nice pop and more details to look at. This is the part that I was telling you guys earlier of what I changed in the canvas. I mixed a little bit of black with a lot of white paint to get this color, and I just painted over the dark gray. I'm so happy with having changed the color because now it definitely fits my home style. After I was done repainting one side of the canvas, I flipped it to the other side that was a lighter gray color and added thin little strips of white paint. Make sure to do very light strokes with your brush to get this look. I'm very happy with how this painting turned out, you guys, and I hope this video inspired you in any way to get started with your very own artwork piece. You'll be surprised at the results you'll get when you put in the effort and time to create something with love. I want to thank those of you that have written me the sweetest comments and messages to please share my painting. I also want to dedicate this video to those of you that uplift me and encourage me to keep sharing what I love. I'm grateful for all of the love and support I receive and hope to inspire you in any way like you do to me. Life is short, give it your all and do what makes you happy. God is so good and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Him. I'm very blessed to share what I love to do and thankful you all are here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what colors you would choose to paint your canvas and where would you place it. I thought I would place it in the guest bathroom, but the size was just too big, so I'm going to be playing around with it until I find its permanent spot. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. I would love to know. This is the painting my husband made me, and we didn't record it because we were honestly enjoying the moment, so we didn't even think of getting it on camera. I'm happy to share the one I made and hope you liked it. This video is to help you get started with your very own artwork, and if you decide to make one, please tag me on Instagram at LG Queen Home Decor. I would love to see. Make sure you're subscribed and click the bell notification to be notified when my next video goes up, which will be very soon. Thank you for being here and take care.